Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on ThinkMarkets. So right now we created ourselves an account and now we want to demo trade. Then what you're going to do is right here go to quick actions and then select right here create demo account. Right now we select right here our currency and then we select right here how much we want to use to trade with just for exercising. Then we click here on create account and then right now he's creating our account or demo account. And then what we can do right here is go right here to open ThinkTrader. So they have their own trader, their own web trader. And then right now you will see here a lot. We want to create ourselves a position on Bitcoin right now. So we go right here to the market watch where you can select everything that you can buy. And then we click right here on crypto. Then right now we select here Bitcoin and then we are having here the Bitcoin chart supported by TradingView. So the trader here from ThinkMarkets is very good and very nice to use. So right now, let's say we want to create ourselves a position. Then we click right here on the buy, the B, and now you will see here the order type. Then right now we can select here sell if you want to short and buy if you want to long. So right now we select here long. Then we have here the order type. You can create a limit order for yourself if you want to do that, but right now market order is fine. Select right here the lots. And if you can see right here, you see here the estimated margin, but let's do 1 for now. That is fine. And then right now, the only thing that we need to do is click here on confirm buy. We can also put a take profit or a stop loss on it if you want to do that, to do on risk management. But right now, if you click right here on confirm buy and place order, you will find your order right here in the bottom. And now we created ourselves for 1 lot a position on Bitcoin. So this is how you can buy. And if you want to sell, we click right here on the cross, click right here on close position, and now we close the position right here. Then if we go back to crypto, you will find here a lot of symbols that we can trade. Also popular markets, or let's say US ADP, or other things on the market watch right here. And this is exactly how you can search for something that you want to buy. We also have right here a lot of paintings. If you want to delete it, right mouse click and then do remove. You can also create yourselves right here, some nice indicators that will help you to buy something. And you see right here your cash balance, your equity, and right here on which account you are trading. So if you want to change the time right here on the timeline, you go right here to 1 hour and change it from there. But these are the basic things that you need to know how to demo trade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.